This is how you can embed Loom videos properly in funnels and website inside Salegen. So in case you're wondering what exactly do you mean, for example, if we go to the website, you can see this video is actually a Loom video. It says powered by Loom. And
I'll be
I
honest.
just prefer Loom video as a way to host like videos and everything. Even though we have inbuilt video hosting inside of Salegen, you don't need a Loom video or you don't need like YouTube or any other party like Wistia or whatever to host your videos. You can host unlimited videos inside Salegen. It's totally possible. But a lot of people, including me, prefer to host their videos on Loom because a lot of people like they're just very familiar using Loom. So what I've seen is people are much more likely to watch a video on a website which has been created using Loom and they have like the normal Loom player compared to a video hosting provider like Wistia or something or R as well. So even though I have this platform and I should be saying like ours is the best, it's just a reality like Loom has more users than a platform and people are more comfortable using Loom to watch videos. So that is why whenever I create a funnel or a website where I have to add my video, whatever, I use Loom. And this is exactly how you can embed Loom videos properly inside of your Salegen account. The first thing, obviously, you need to just simply log into your Salegen account. Just simply click over here and you can log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, this is what you probably are gonna see. This is the Salegen dashboard. After that, you can go to sites and just simply open the website or the funnel where you wish to embed the videos. So for example, over here, you can see like there's a thing called sites. Just simply click on it. And now you can add this in like websites, like you can add it in a website or you can add it in a funnel wherever you want to use it. The process for the same is going to be exactly the same. You can even add it in your e-commerce store if you want to, but I don't think so. Like, why would you need a Loom video in an e-commerce store? So I don't think so. It will be used a lot over there. Anyways, so over here, just see the exact funnel where you want to embed the Loom video. So I'll just just create one from scratch. I'll just click on a new funnel button. You can add it in an existing funnel as well. You don't have to start it from scratch. I'll just call it local scale because we're actually launching a new business that will help local businesses. So I'll actually just create the funnel for that. I'll just show you how you can embed the video. So all you need to do is either create a new funnel or just add this in an existing funnel. I'll just give it any name, it doesn't really matter. Path is trial, let's say. Just click on create a funnel stuff. And yeah, once you have a website or a funnel, the pages will be displayed over here and you'll have the option to edit this. For example, you can see there's this button called edit over here. Just simply click on this. And now this opens up the funnel or the website editor where you can make changes to the websites and funnels and actually embed the Loom video. Once you've done that, once you've opened it up, you can just simply click on add a section. After that, add a row and click on add element and drag and drop the video element. I know it sounds kind of confusing. So yeah, now that you've opened it, this is what it looks like. If you click on the plus button over here where it says add element, like the first thing you need to add is a section. Just bring your mouse pointer over this add a section thing where it says full width and just drag and drop it over here. After that, in the middle of the section, which is green in color, you can see it has a button which says add a row and just click on the plus button. After that, it says a one column row. Just click on it and drag it in the middle of the green thing. Boom. Now it says add an element. Again, just simply click on add an element over here and scroll down below and you're gonna find this thing called video under media. Just take this video thing and drag and drop it over here in the middle of the row and just leave it. So now this is a place where you can add videos. Over here you can see video type. You can add YouTube videos via link. You can add Vimeo, Wistia. You can have like custom video. You can have like a hosted video where you can basically like upload your video to our platform and we can host it on your behalf. Unlimited videos, by the way, like that's totally covered. So you can do that if you want to. But all we need to do is go to custom embed. Like more on this later. Anyways, that's the main thing you had to do. Just add the video element over here. And you can like move it up and down below. Like if you want to add like a headline first, you can do that. The process is just gonna stay exactly the same. After that, you need to go to Loom and open the video which you want to embed. So just go to loom.com, and over here you can see all the Loom videos which you have created. So for example, like let's say hypothetically I wanted to embed this video, which is actually like the VSL for the video sales letter for the local business thing. I just need to like simply click on it and open up the video inside of Loom. After that, you need to click on share, embed, and click on copy code. So over here, you can see this button known as share. After that, you can click on embed over here and just ensure it's set to responsive size, not fixed. And over here, there's this button called copy embed code. Just simply click on it. And now your code has been copied. Now what a lot of you might try to do is over here, come and select the video type to custom embed, and you just paste the code, and you might think like you're done over here. This works, but there's a problem with this. That's why a couple extra steps have to be taken. So if you just click on the eye icon, which is the shortcut to preview the website, this is what it looks like. So now it does not look terrible, but there's this button where they can watch your Loom, they can copy the link, they can see the comments if people have added comments, they can see the title of the video, how long it is, 0 views out of this. What I want to do is have the video hosted like this, where if you see over here, this does not have a title. Like all this random crap present over here, it's not there. And we'll have to slightly modify the code to ensure this is exactly what people see as well. So yeah, just a couple of changes we need to make to the code. That's why you don't simply copy the code and paste it directly into Salegen. We do need to make some changes. So once we once you've done this, once you've copied the code, we need to create like a new doc in Google Docs. Just open Google Docs and just go to Google Docs. It's absolutely free, and paste the code. What is this crap opening up? Yeah, just paste the code you copied from Loom. It will look kind of like this. I know it seems like a bit complicated. Trust me, all you have to do is just copy paste a couple of things. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So now we have to make some adjustments to the code. Basically the text we pasted in the last steps, you need to make some adjustments so that the video actually appears the way we want it to appear. What I want you to do, where it says copy this text exactly as it is, like literally exactly as it is. Right click and click on copy, Control C on Windows, Command C on Mac if you want to do it using shortcuts. And before this text starts in the Google Doc, like before the frame border, like this will be common in all of your videos. So before frame border and this thing, like open the Google Doc and you're gonna find this text present. Before this thing starts, paste the text which you copied. So if you remember, we just freaking copied it right now. Before this text starts in the code, we need to just paste it. So just remember this frame border and this double comma before that. So over here, if you come, you can see there's this thing called frame border over here, and there was the double comma. So this thing is common in all the videos. This will be common in your video as well. All you need to do is find where it says frame border and there's going to be this double comma thing. So move your cursor one place below, the one place to the left of the double comma thing, whatever you want to call it. So all we need to do is paste exactly what we copied over here. So if you remember, we copied this text, question mark, hide or whatever, copy it again, and over here, all you need to do, just saying it a lot of times so that you don't make a mistake, find frame border, and before that, there's going to be a double comma thing, double quotation mark. Just move your mouse cursor one step to the left of that and just simply paste it. I'll press like Command V. All you need to do is before like the double quotation thing, just simply paste exactly what I asked you to paste. And now all that needs to be done is simply copy the entire code. Just copy it up. After that, once again, like the last step left where we actually need to do something, and after that you'll be good to go. Click on the video element on the in the funnel editor. Just click on this element ensure the video type is again selected to custom embed. Your code, like this will be empty, video embed. Just paste the exact text you copied from the Google Doc. Like just copy this exactly as it is and click on save. If you wanna preview what it looks like let it save, and after that click on the eye icon and this will open up and hopefully it should work. Yeah, so now you can see like all the other crap which was available before earlier, it's now not visible. So that is how you can embed a Loom video properly. So just a couple of extra points before you click off the video. Like you can do it as it is if you're totally happy and satisfied with this. Yeah. If you want to publish it, if you want to make the website live, like this is not a live website. You do need to connect your own domain. So you can just click on connect a domain, select any domain which you've added, or you can click here to add a domain. More tutorials on that have been created. Just reply to this post below, like leave a comment and I'll share the tutorial on how to add a domain with you if you want to. Yeah, just connect a domain and click on publish and the website will be made live and you can use it for getting sales or whatever you plan on using it for. Yeah, now one thing which you might see is right now you might be like, okay, the default playback speed is 1.2x and the color of the playback button, whatever, it's not very good. For example, people can still leave comments or like add reactions, and this is like orange color. Maybe you want it to match your brand identity, whatever. Now you can still make some changes. So if you want to make more changes to this Loom video player, this is exactly what you need to do. We have to make it actually inside of Loom. So once again, open Loom where the video is there, and now we can make all the changes. So over here inside of settings, like over here you can see it like settings. Come over here. When it comes to enhancements, you can turn on background noise filter. It will automatically filter out like the voices in your background, whatever, if there is air or something, or like kids screaming or your dog barking, whatever. After that, I'll suggest you to remove this Loom branded player because this will actually get rid of the Loom branding. So for example, I've actually not done it. Yeah, so over here you can see like it says powered by Loom. So when you turn off Loom branding, this won't show anymore, which is good because we don't want any distractions. When it comes to animated thumbnail, like if actually I'll just refresh it again so you see what I'm speaking about. Yeah, so this is like an animated thumbnail where people can already see that I'm speaking, whatever. It's like a GIF. So if you want this to be there, you just ensure it is ticked. If you don't want it, if you want the thumbnail to be static, like let's say I just turn it off and I click on save, I can just refresh it. And I think, yeah, so now it's not a GIF anymore. So if you want it to be animated like a GIF, just click on this and click on save. After that, come to audience and I'll suggest you to turn on captions because now this will show captions as well when you play the video. So for example, this is what captions look like, and Loom captions are pretty nice. So I'll suggest you to turn on captions. You can turn on stylized captions as well. Like now this appears like, I don't know how to show you. I'll just save it and open it up in an incognito window so that you can see what stylized captions mean. AI will change. Yeah. So it's this purple thing, local business color forever. So if you want to do that, you can do that. Feel free to do it. I just think like normal captions are better. Just my humble opinion. So I'll turn it off. After that, recommend the playback speed. I'll always suggest you to do this. What this does is by default, like when you use other like video hosting things like YouTube, let's say, the normal playback speed is going to be 1x. But a lot of people, like because our attention spans have been fried, whatever, everyone is way too busy, they usually watch videos on 1.5x or 1.7x. So you can like select this to 1.5x. So what now happens is when people click on a video, by default, the playback speed which will be set and what they'll be suggested will be 1.5x. Obviously, if they think it's way too fast, they can like reduce it. But I'll always suggest to keep it 1.5x or 1.7x. For example, if you're from India and by default you speak English a bit slower, then you can put it to 1.7x. Like I'm fine with 1.7x as well. But usually people who are from like Western countries like Europe or USA, whatever, they speak a bit faster English because it's their first language. So If that's the case with you, you can maybe put it to 1.2x, 1.5x. If you don't speak English natively and you're a bit slow, you can put it to 1.7x. I just keep it at 1.5x. After that, ensure request email to view has been turned off. Like disable comments, because again, it's a distraction basically. Emoji reactions, I'll suggest you to turn it off as well. Download, turn it off. Stitch, turn it off. Analytics, turn it off. Transcript, turn it off as well. Like just like turn off all this crap and click on save, because now this will get rid of a lot of distractions. So if we refresh it, we hopefully should not see comments and stuff anymore. So you can see the default playback speed has been set to 1.5x. You can make it even more if you
Any city of the world.
want to. So
The people who have
captions have been turned off,
the
turned
majority
on as
share
well.
of the market in
And
the
now you
brand.
can see like the emoji reactions are not there. The thumbnail stuff has been gone. And now it's pretty simple. The last thing we can do is we can actually change this color from orange to our brand color, and the color of the playback
mainly
button as
impossible for
well.
you to
Yeah, so we can turn this from white to something else too if you wanted to. For that, just click on the Loom icon over here, and over here, come over to settings over here. So now come over to personal. I'm not sure if it is there in the personal thing or in the workplace thing. I'll just have to see. I think it will be in the workflows. So click on settings, click on workspace, and yeah, over here in appearance, just come here. So you can click on the change video player color. So this white button will be set to a different color, and you can choose anyone. I'll just choose purple because it matches with my brand theme, or actually this time I think we can use this as well, because that's the color we used in the other thing, like that. So any color works. Just choose one which works well according to your brand. I'm just going to choose this because I like it. You can add your own logo as well if you want to. It appears on top, but I'll just suggest you to not add it, because again it's like a distraction. You don't have to do it. You can like just ensure like show Loom branding has been turned off, and click on save over here as well. And now I think you should see the changes in place. So if we just refresh it, yeah, the button is
have
this
one thing.
color, and this has been changed as well. So yeah, that's how you can make further changes to the appearance of your Loom video. So that's how you actually embed it. Just click on save, click on publish, and boom, that's the entire process. If you face any questions, if you have like any questions, you face any difficulties, you encounter any roadblocks, whatever, feel free to just create a post, tag me, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Yeah, bye bye, man. Take care. Have a lovely, beautiful, fantastic day ahead. Bye bye.